Hi guys and welcome to educational video for the day. So today I'll be showing you the intraday trade what I did today, and I'll be telling you the main updates and news what we have today. So we have a main news and announcement from BDL, AstraZeneca, PGH and NTPC. So these are the main stock and main events what they're having. So I'll be telling you all the details in this video. So watch the video till the end, and before that let me quickly show you the trade what we did today. So guys, yes, today is 27th of March. So let's see how the market has opened today. I mean the pre-open market. So the pre-open market is opening at 0.22% up. Advanced stocks are 37, declines are only 10, and unchanged is 3. So today the market looks like it's in a recovery mode, and we can expect the market to go in a bullish way is what my view is. So let's see how the market will perform today and what trade I can do today. So guys, right now I've decided to buy PR Ionox in the market level now around 1327 to 1328 level. So I'll just buy it now and see how the stock will perform today, and I'm aimed to get the target up to 4 or 5 points. Okay, so the market is a bit volatile today, and it is opening in a gap up section, so I won't take a risk of holding the position for too long for the day. So I'll just take my exit quickly by booking 4 to 5 points, because the stocks might be very volatile today is what the view is. So as of now the stock had made a high of 1329.55, so let's wait for it to give a breakout on that level somewhere around 1332. I'll just plan to take my exit. Okay, so you can continue to see the trade until that, and you can see here we are trading without any indicators, and once I take my exit I'll update you guys. Okay. So guys, yes, this is the end of the day chart of PVR Ionox, and yes, the upper side it just performed only like 4 to 5 points, and later according to the study and the strategy the stock did come down and it performed on selling side also. But anyway, by following my discipline I took my exit on the buying side, and this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of PVR Ionox. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things, no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, once you join us, you get everyday live market personal support as well. The course prices are very reasonably priced. And once you join us, I'll be guiding you personally in live market, and until you understand everything, we'll be guiding you personally. Okay. So now let's talk about the announcement and news what we have today. So the first talk will be NTPC. So NTPC signs a deal with Japanese agency for $200 million loan, that is JBIC, a government policy based financial institution, will provide 60% of the facility amount, and the balance amount will be provided by other commercial bank which fall under JBIC guarantee. A statement has been released like this, being supportive to NTPC. And the next news is that from Nifty 50 and other indices, rebalancing will happen tomorrow. So on that, Shriram Finance, HDFC Bank, Geo Finance, Adani Power to see the highest inflows. And next news is from PNG. So PNG agrees to pay rupees 36 crore to settle tax liability. This transaction is between the firm's affiliate units, which was under scrutiny fall between 2010 to 2011 and 2018 to 2019, it said. And the next news is from AstraZeneca. AstraZeneca Pharma rises 4% CDS CO note to import cancer treatment drug. AstraZeneca Pharma has been rising almost 57% in the last 1 year, outperforming the benchmark of Nifty 50, which has risen 30% during the same period. This stock has performed more than Nifty 50. And the next news is from Bharat Dynamics. Okay, so this is a defense stock, and this stock is backed by our President of India. So 1:2 stock split and 8.85 rupees per share dividend has been proposed. President of India backed multi-bagger aerospace and defense stock with 20,070 crore order book. So these are the top news for the day. I hope you guys like this video and do subscribe to my channel for daily and latest updates like this.